Hello, this is Alex here. Welcome back to Yu-Gi-Oh! Box opening, another one. And I've been had this for flipping ages. So I thought in these breaks that we have between the box Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon boxes, crack this open and distribute this amongst the gaps. So we're going to get 4 different openings. I just want 3 boxes per opening. Yes, there's plenty more for everybody to enjoy. Cards you wanted to pull out of this course are Ace, Access Code Talker, Chamber Dragon, Mold and IP Masquerina. The main 3. This thing is huge. Oh god. That's outside of it. So there's going to be 2 videos. I thought there was one. Right, so we'll do 3 for this one, but I could do 2. We'll do, we'll do 3. We'll do 2 and open because there's quite a few. So it's fine. So let's quickly get these open. I've lost me thing, me letter opener, so I'm going to have to use my skizzers, which is not saved at all, as you can clearly see. Scratching the thing up. So safe, I know. Okay. Right, so get these bad boys out. Taking some of these ones, matching gold, as long as it's open any gold ones. Recyclable pile. Let's get the other ones out. Let's score in the boxes up anyway. Oh, ow, that's a bit sharp. There we go. And you know what? Didn't score it on the other side. It's always good. There we go. There we go. Put these boys out. Some extra openings while we're waiting for newer sets to come out. Okay. Right. So, 8 packs per opening, we've got 3 openings spread across the channel over however many months. I haven't got my sleeves out, which is a good start. So let's just grab a handful from my shelf. There we go. Righty ho. There's 7 cards per pack. So keep them in frame, and here we go. First few ones. I got no idea what the order these are in, so I'll just have to go with it. So you got the gold. This is the gold rares and the gold premium rares as well. So we've got an X Code Talker, the Weather Painter Thunder, the Phantom Knight of Ancient Cloak. Remember when they were like the bee's knees. Guardian of the Golden Land, Prank Kids Fantasies, and these are gold. I believe these are the ultimate gold ones, premium gold rare. So we've got Sky Striker Ace Rare, like texture as well, and Quizzador of the Golden Land. It's got 2 per pack. They're all upside down. You know, like textures and all sorts. Pretty cool. Okay, these 2 first ones. Put these leaves over so I'm not getting them the right way. Okay, next one. That one as well. So the center ones at the front and then the old ones at the back. Ooh. Okay, so I've got an Altergeist Marinette, number 4 Demona Gate Cat Vary, Cyber's Gadget, Prank Kids Rocket Ride. We have a Elixir of White Destiny. Oh, very nice, a Dark Magician, and a Cursed Eldland. So it's nice to get another Dark Magician. especially in this very nice gold rare. Next one. That's what we need. Right. So we've got a code talker. Numeron number 4 again. Altergeist Marionetta. Dragoonity Knight Romulus. Raid Raptor Ultimate Falcon. Exodia, the forbidden one. Very nice to get an Exodia. And we have a Twin Twisters. I say I can remember some of these colours when they were meta. Well, probably still are a lot of these. But you know, I remember when these were first coming in. That's it. Oh, so if somebody will break to try and get some older sets mixed in as well, I know. Yes, that over there. Oh, the Phantom Knight Breaksword. The Weather Cloudy Canvas. Prank Kids Do Doodle Do. Rainbow Neos. Dumbo. It's got a nick on it. We've got Eldritch the Mad Golden Lord. Oh, very nice. A Blue Eyes White Dragon. And a Book of Moon. So it's like the gold ones, like older ones. And the normal gold rares that they've called. Or the like newer ones. I always love these gold ones. Next one. We have a Scrap Wyvern. Number 9 Dyson Sphere. And number 8 on Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Superdora. That's a mouthful. Ancient Gear Fusion. We have Eldritch the Mad Golden Lord. Fossil Dino Patchler Foil. And Gold Sarcophagus in gold. Alright, 3 more to go. This first bonus opening, as I'm calling it. Siphon Driver, focuses. We have a Lost World, Number 4, number 4, number 1 Gate Trion, Eva. We have a Salamangre Elmari. We have a Ghost Mourner and Moonlit Chill, which is one of the better ones. And we have a Numeron Storm to hand. Righty-ho. Got 2 left. That's first bonus opening. We've got Aldergeist Sulcutus. Numeron C1 number Chaos Gate. Guardian of the Golden Land. Prank Kids Meow. Prank Kids Battle Butler. Tempest Dragon Ball of the Storm. And number IC1000. Question 5 level 13 monsters. That looks ridiculous. How the hell are you supposed to pull that out? 5 level 13 monsters. I've got to read that after this because that looks ridiculous and impossible to pull. No, I do have. Number 81 Dreadnought. Phantom Knight Silent Boots. Alex Deer Scarlet Sangling. Broken Line, Deep Sea Diva. We have a Sky Striker Ace Ray and number C1000 Numerosius. Looks like the other one, that's on the Nox Chaos version. Right, so that's it for this one. So if you enjoyed it, push like button, the comment down below, of course, subscribe to this channel for my Twitter, it's always down below. So, over the next look of X, I shall see you in the next part of from following off from this one. Who knows, because when these uploaded. But I shall see you in the next Yu-Gi-Oh opening. See you next time.